I know, pretty exciting, right? Guess I've got some explaining to do. It all started earlier today with a robot cleaning the sidewalk. Pretty good disguise, right? It's really Zobo. But pretend you don't know. He gets touchy. Hi, Zobo. But he wasn't the only one being stealthy.
Okay, Zobo. Now moving closer to target, but keep it casual.
Zobo, cleaning machines don't whistle. Cool it.
That's all the proof we need. Come on!
Team? I know. We really need to come up with a name. It's getting embarrassing.
Give it up, Pranksy! Your graffiti days are over!
You messed with the wrong girls.
Stop! You'll never make it past me!
Emma, you're supposed to stop him. What's wrong with you?
Sorry! Wait! Don't go!
Ugh.
Follow that bike!
Shoot, we lost him!
Oh, and my lunch.
Maybe not. Take a look. Just to be safe, I had Zobo plant a GPS tracker disc on his bike. That blue dot is Pranksy.
Brilliant. You too, Zobo!
Smile for the bird.
That's Zobo for thanks. I think.
He's heading up Wilderness Road.
Punch it!
Wait,
We're gonna need Mia in the woods.
you're right. We need Mia. She knows every tree in that forest.
Where is Mia anyway? Aren't you gonna say bye to Mom and Dad?
Already did. I'll write you from college. I promise. I'm gonna miss you, baby sis.
Whatever.
You know, it's okay if you're gonna miss me too.
You'll be fine. You're stronger than you think.
Don't forget to miss me!
Okay, I miss you. Happy. Forget you saw that, would ya? Hey, Olivia.
Hi, Mia. Have you been crying?
What? No, just my allergies. What's up?
Operation Pranksy turned into Operation Whoopsie. He escaped into the woods. We need someone who can track him without getting eaten by a bear. She means you.
I figured. We'll need a set of wheels that can take those mountain trails. I'll ask my folks for the camper.
Okay, we're getting close. Closer. The signal stops moving. Here!
We were so excited to see the look on his face when we caught him, we couldn't get there fast enough. All right, Spray Dude, we got you now.
Hey, look! It's Zobo's tracker disc with a note.
Lose something? Hugs, Pranksy.
Oh,
Not again!
Aw, he drew a little smiley face. That's sweet.
Great. We'll be sure to send him a thank you stink bomb.
He outsmarted us again!
Oh. So, I guess we should just head back to town.
I don't know. It's getting late, and I don't really want to drive that mountain road in the dark. We could stay the night.
Sleepover camping trip! We'll roast marshmallows and tell ghost stories and get bitten by all kinds of bugs!
It does sound like fun.
Most of it.
Pranksy might be able to stop us from catching him, but not from having a good time.
A little help here? Where does this go?
That's my hair. And stay away from the poison ivy. So, who's sleeping in the tent and who's sleeping in the camper?
Let's see. A cold, drafty tent with ants in your pants? Or clean sheets, a moonroof, and a view of the stars? Ooh, I know. The camper.
Or I sleep under the moonroof because I can describe all the constellations by their Latin names.
Or I sleep there so Olivia won't do that.
We could take turns sleeping in the camper, 2 hours each.
That sounds restful.
Fine, you guys work it out. I'm gonna go find us some firewood. Me and Daniel used to go camping all the time when we were kids. He taught me everything I know. Well, most of it. There's only one thing that could cheer me up more than Daniel. Fireflies. There's nothing more magical than fireflies. Unless the fireflies are made of actual fire! Hang on! I'm coming!
Stronger than you think. Stronger than you think. Stronger than you think. Stronger than you think. Stronger than you think.
Oh, take it easy. It's okay. It's okay. Lucky for you, Daniel taught me how to untie a bow knot. Fast. Now let's get out of here. All caught up? Let's go, boy! Hee-haw!
Start packing! Ah! Grab the bow! Got it!
That's everything. All we need is Mia.
I can't get through to her!
And we can't get through them!
That's the only road out! We're trapped!
Not if we work together!
Mia! You're okay!
I tried to call you, but there's no service out here.
I've got walkie-talkies in the camper. We can call the fire department on the emergency channel. Here, you call. I've got some tree moving to do. Quick! What if we got back there we can use? Here's a chain! That'll work. Olivia, take the wheel. I'll take the horse.
Let's do this!
We didn't make it back for Pranksy that day, but I learned a lot. Like, even though I miss my brother, I'll be okay. 'Cause he was right. I am strong. And I have the best friends anyone could ask for. And the best thing was, we all got a bed with a great view of the stars. Hey!
It's scientifically proven that the hotter it is, the crazier people act.
Stop now!
Hard to blame him, but Dr. Alba was convinced she could do away with human error by replacing us with her perfect Alba box.
Stop now! Red light. Stay behind crosswalk. Stay behind crosswalk. Stay behind crosswalk. Your traffic fine is due within 2 hours. Pay now and win a free Alva Corp sticker.
Using robots isn't necessarily a bad idea, but people can be challenging, even for machines. You said some go-kart with no driver chased you around the track till you crashed? Is that so hard to believe? I know it sounds crazy.
You have any other invisible friends?
This heat is getting to all of us.
At least you're not wrapped up like a mummy. I'm melting.
Yeah, what are we gonna do about that?
Well, George, we can fix. Mia, that's another story.
Well, if Mia can't do it, I guess I'll have to drive. What? I'm a problem solver.
I had programmed our white cart to destroy George. With Vicky Roman's team out of the way, the only other go-kart with a chance of winning the Grand Prix is that blasted George! All you had to do was turn it on like I told you.
We did, but it went haywire.
All the bots never go haywire!
Stop now!
Things were heating up all right, and we still had to figure out who was going to drive George before we could chill out.
I heard you're looking for a driver.
Nope, we're all set. Thanks.
Well, when you change your mind, you know where to find me.
Andrea!
What? I should be lead driver, not Vicky. She's the bad guy, remember? The one who laughed at us? The one who taunted us? The one we beat in the qualifying race?
Look, hon, you got lucky once, but you don't have her experience.
Or all her trophies.
They're right. You've got the guts and the passion, but, you drive like a tornado with hiccups. Vicky's a trained pro.
She did say no to playing dirty. Plus, look at her outfit.
Well, I don't care how good her fashion sense is. I don't trust her.
Oh, girls, I want you to meet my newest employee, Marilyn.
An Alvabot?
Yep, got her own clearance from Alvamart. It was like she was just sitting out there in the parking lot waiting for me. Marilyn, serve lunch. Drinks are on me, girls. Marilyn never spills a thing.
She's pretty cool.
Cute, too.
Oh, Marilyn, thanks, but Mia and I want to split our salad.
Drinks are on you. Drinks are on you.
Zobo, we'll take a scoop of that to go.
Whoa! Things are getting heavy downtown, dudes. The Alphabots are going all wiki wacko.
Dr. Alba's robots were bought by the city to serve our needs, but no one needs this!
Come back. You missed a spot.
This is a catastrophe! Round up every malfunctioning bot before this disaster goes viral!
I think a lot of folks already know about it.
It'll be fine. We'll blame it on a hoax. Now go!
This goo must be what's powering the bots. It's some sort of chemical element, but something is making it unstable.
If by unstable you mean driving them bonkers, yeah.
Girls, you know what time it is. I think it's around 3, but I don't have a watch on.
It's time for insert awesome name here to save our city.
Here goes Choo-choo.
Into the truck you go.
Stop that! Hey! Don't you just hate litter bugs?
Can you believe the media trying to make these perfectly nice robots look bad?
Wow. Why do they keep it so cold in here? Hi! We totally come in peace. Later, we catch him off guard.
Way to prevent a robot uprising.
Over here.
Trespassers detected in Elmobot Warehouse, Sector 4.
The security bots!
So much for your plan.
Capture and detain. Capture and detain.
Take cover!
Capture and detain. Capture and detain.
Can't we all just get along? I mean, think about your bot karma. Oh.
Capture and detain. Capture and detain. Capture and detain. Capture and detain.
It's the heat!
What are you talking about? It's freezing in here.
No! Heat makes the bots crazy! The thermostat's over there! Yes! Mia, can you turn it up?
I don't think so. I've got it. Here we go.
Capture and detain. Capture and detain. Capture and detain.
Battle of the bots.
Capture and detain. Capture and detain. Capture and
Here comes the Choo-choo.
We knew we had to figure out what was going on before it got any hotter. Okay, I ran some more tests on the goo. It's blobium, a rare element extracted from the blobfish, which also makes a mean sushi. No thanks. Probably a good call. When blobium overheats, it turns to acid. Right?
Actually, I have no idea what you're talking about. Pretty sure we're all just being polite.
The blobium is what's powering the Alvabot's electronic brains. But when the heat wave heated up, the acid ate all the wiring inside the bot's circuits and made them go crazy.
We're good now.
Yeah, makes total sense.
Once the word got out about the blobium making the bots go crazy, the city insisted Dr. Alva take them back and replace them with good old-fashioned humans. With the attack of the Alvabots behind us, we could finally focus on what was really important. The Grand Prix! And since we had a city to look after, and Vicky had time to practice, we decided to let her drive George in the race. Well, most of us decided.